guys, I'm Ace Mirza from Program Master, and today it will be our ninth class of the series Adobe Photoshop for Beginners. So, guys, our today's agenda will be content aware move and content aware tool. Okay, move tool and content aware. So, these two tools will be our agenda. So, let's go to our screen before wasting our time. So, guys, actually, this is my screen for Adobe Photoshop. So guys, actually let's get a selection first and then I will tell you the difference. Okay, so now I selected this area and right now if I will click on control backspace, then it will fill my background color. But if I will click on the alt backspace, then it will fill my foreground color. So if I will click on shift plus background, then what it will happen, it will show me this pop-up. Okay, what is the use of pop-up in the contents? If you are able to see, if I will click here foreground color and click on OK, then it will fill here the foreground color. But if I will click here background color, then it will fill their background color. But what if I will select here any color? I can use any of the color. If I don't want to use any other color, I can use simply from here any color. Let's click on OK. And if I will click on OK, and there how you can fill any of the color if it is not in your foreground or background. So shift. So this is how it is: content aware, pattern, history, black, 50% gray and white. These are the contents. Okay. So actually guys, this is normal. Actually, these are the blending modes. You already know the blending mode. So I will not waste our time, precious time with the blending modes. So opacity will be to 90 or 80. It will be depend on the your transparency. So okay guys, if I will select on this content aware, actually this is our topic. So if I will select their content aware, and we need to check this color adoption. Okay, we don't need to uncheck this one, otherwise it will not adopt the color of that image successfully. Let's pause, let me open an image. Okay guys, here is another thing. Let me create a layer. Okay, so now actually I draw this these lines with the brush. So what I need to do with the shift backspace, now you are able to see preserve transparency is enabled, because actually this is a new layer. If we are working on the background layer, then it will be definitely not come. So what is the use of preserve transparency? Let's pause. I select this color, foreground color. Now you are able to see content aware is not coming. If I will select this foreground background color and I will click on the OK, then it will select the already, if there is any other already selection is there, then it will color that selection, not the whole area. If let's pause, uh, control Z. If let's pause, shift backspace. I'm not checking this preserve transparency. What it will do, it will select the whole of the canvas. Okay, so I don't need this one. I just want the selection. If I want the selection, then what I need to do, shift backspace, and then if I will click on this preserve transparency, then it will select that particular selection and fill. Okay, so this is how it is working. So guys, let me open an image. Actually, I'm downloading the image from Unsplash. For copyright issue, I need to elaborate all the time. Okay, so guys, this is our image. Actually, I'm pasting here the image. Okay, so this is our image. Actually, they are playing something, and this is our eyes, and these are our persons, people. So what I need to do, I just need to select this lasso tools, and after that, just I need that selection. Let's suppose I am selecting this one, and what I need to do, I am staying on the background color, because I, as you can see, if I will create a new layer, then there will be no object on that layer, and there is no select all layer option. So that's why I need to go to stay on the background color. So if I will click shift and backspace, then you are able to see content aware and a color adoption is here. Okay, I just need to check that. If I will click on OK, if you are able to see control plus, now you are able to see it remove that person and automatically fill accordingly, according to the um, best color of this picture, it already put here. Actually, uh, it can put from anywhere. Okay, so I cannot say like it will be coming the color will be coming from the surrounding. It can be from anywhere. So guys, that's how it is working, content aware. Okay, so now actually there is another tool with the sport healing brush and their patch, and this is content aware move tool. What is that, the usage of that tool? 1 minute, let me create a new layer. Now we will work on the new layer because there is, you can see sample our layers is there. So that's why we can use with the new layer. Okay, so what I need to do, let's pause. Now we can select with the uh, with this tool as well, with content aware move tool as well. So what I need to do, I just need to move that person here. Let's suppose I just want to move that person here, and definitely if it will be go far, then definitely it will be goes to smaller. Okay, so if I will click on OK, then you are able to see this person will be moved from here to here. Okay, so that's how it is working. As you are able to see, this selection is also coming because what it happened, it moved the selection here. If I selected this, 1 minute, I selected this mode as a move, there is extended move. I selected this as a move. So what move done, actually this area has been filled by its content aware, and this area has been moved from here to there. Okay, so that's how it is working. So if you are able to see there are some kind of issue in that image, so we will fill that later. Okay, so that's how this tool is working. As you are able to see, sample our layers is also there, and transform drop. Transform on drop. Let's pause. Control Z. Okay, guys. Let's suppose I am not checking this transform on drop. So what will be done? If I will select here, select this person. 1 minute. Let me select that layer, layer one. Now, if I will select that person, okay, guys, here you need to understand and keep it your mind. You need to go with the free selection. You don't go with the strict selection. If you will go with like that, then it might be happen like your edges will be there. Okay, so then when it will be moved, let's pause. Let's pause. Show me with the example. Yeah, guys, let's pause. I'm selecting the quick selection. 1 minute. I'm selecting the quick selection. Okay, suppose I selected this person. Sorry, the background. Let's suppose I selected this person now. In the background color, what I did, I selected this person, right? So if I selected this person, and now I will click on shift backspace and content aware, then you will be able to see now edges remains, right? Now edges has been remained, right? So that's why we need to go with the free selection. Okay, so guys, that's why we will go with the free selection. So let's suppose if I will go with the free selection, I am coming from here, the free selection. Okay, so now if I want to move this person, 1 minute, I'm going with the background with the layer one. If I will select this person, and now if I will go up and need to paste here, then you will be able to see it is not showing now transforms. Now it already automatically pasted here, but definitely if it will be go further or far away, then it should be smaller. So what I need to do, I need this transforms on drop. So if I will select here and selected this person, now if I will paste here, you will be able to see transforms will come. So that's how I can select the size of this person. Okay, so that's how this tool is working. Okay, so there is another thing, extend as well. Let's suppose you want this person as well, you want to keep that person as well, and you want to create another person as well. So that's how the extend will work. If I will select here that person, let's suppose I will select here and I will keep that in here. 1 minute, why I just extend. 1 minute. Now with the extend, if I will select here, if you are able to see, it will create a new copy. It will not move this one. So that's how this extend is working. Don't need to unselect this selection, okay, otherwise it will not work. What you need to do actually right now, structure is, let's suppose 4, so the shape is different. If I will click on that 7, the shape will be different. Actually structure will be on the edges. If you are working with the edges, let me go with the control plus. You are able to see with the structure the shape is different, so that's why I will go with the structure 4 only. And the color, let's suppose I am changing the color to 10, then it tries to add more and more color. So that's why we need to keep it as a 0, or you can say on the 4. So that's how you can work. Okay, so guys, actually this is our content aware move tool. So that's how your content aware move tool is working. So there is another thing. If you want to increase the size of that person, then you can go with the extend, and with the extend you can simply you can simply put here. Okay, so now his so now this person has been grow up. Okay, so this person has been taller. So that's how you can work with the extend as well. So guys, actually this is our short video of that tool. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and comment me if there is anything or any drawback. Please comment me. Okay guys, so we will meet in the next session. Thank you, bye.